Subukan namin next year magkaroon tayo ulit ng dito.
Today, my fellow Vicentians, we look back with gratitude to the school that nourished us. San Vicente Academy, it has inspired us, grown us towards excellence. We also look ahead with a hope, comforted with knowledge that from this same school, new generations of Vicentians will emerge to create more successful individuals.
Overwhelming ako ngayon kasi alam niyo, Vicentians, alumni, yung transformation niyo nag-start talaga dito sa San Vicente Academy.
So honored to be performing with my concert band, which was